Hello family and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to look at the best way to earn a substantial income in the comfort of your home. Now, for many years, I struggled with the pressures that come with working long hours for someone's business, literally not having any spare time for myself, my friends and my family, and just literally hating my job and my pay. I then decided to try something else, and in search for more free time, more money, and a job that had no boss to report to, I decided to get a diploma in viral marketing. And it was then that my mind was open to a lot of ways to make money online from anywhere and at your own convenience. But in as much as this is great news, there are still ways that pays you very little income that can't manage the day-to-day needs. I then carefully picked only those that really worked well for me as far as a substantial income is concerned. There are few of them that I'm working with, but for this particular video, I will only focus on affiliate marketing and its basics so that I can give ideas to everyone going through what I went through. I chose this particular one because I feel and know that it's very easy and beginner friendly, and if well handled, it can give you a substantial income. So let's take a look at what affiliate marketing is all about in a very beginner friendly language. Therefore, I would explain affiliate marketing as a recommendation from you to a potential client about a product or service of which if they purchase, you get a commission. So how this works is, for example, if a random person is looking for good quality hair on the internet and you happen to have content about good quality hair that company X sells and you are affiliated to this product, the random person who gets convinced by your content ends up clicking on the link which takes them to the potential or product sales page, and they end up buying the product. You will be paid a commission for that lead, and this income you make or get is called passive income. So in this particular work, you will have to put in great content in order for you to continue earning from your link. And if you do this the right way, you will be inspired to do more marketing for more products in order for you to continue earning. I mean, who doesn't want to earn money? In most cases, when people are just starting, there's a whole lot of confusion going on. It's from not knowing how people will respond to you, to which platform to use. Others don't even have an audience to sell to, etc., etc. Well, I'm not here promising to completely take your anxiety away, but I aim at simplifying this in the best way possible and show you ways you can earn money, even starting from your own family and friends, with affiliate marketing, and get courage from there to take it to greater heights like creating gigs or simply joining affiliate programs. So let's get started. So I usually categorize affiliate marketing into two parts, namely the in-person and online affiliate marketing. Today I will cover both, but I will give more details on the in-person affiliate marketing because it personally boosted my audience and confidence when I started and gave me a good foundation. So in-person affiliate is simply marketing physical products that you don't own and getting paid a commission. So how this works is, you simply find a person or company that you know has good products that you can help them sell, approach them for a deal and earn from it. In a more detailed example, I would say person A orders good quality hair from country F. You as an affiliate can approach person A and say, hey, I noticed that you have very good quality hair and I have an audience that is obsessed with hair because I teach about hair plating online. What would you say if I advertised for you on my platform and you pay me a commission for every sale? Or maybe, if your dress is selling at $150, I can hike it up a little bit, and when a sale is made, I will get the hiked bit and leave you with your intended price. If person A agrees, it means you will be earning commission as an affiliate for your time, effort, and sales. The same applies to online affiliate, only that online you will have to join affiliate programs to get started, and that is what I will be explaining and covering in my next video. As much as it is good for you to go from video to video, scroll from video to video, trying to see the best content about affiliate marketing to start with, there will never be any better explanation than what the available videos have already explained. So what I want you to do for now is let's start already. Okay, so for now, list all the different people that you can collaborate with. You know in your area who you can approach and talk to about this business deal. Once you have it all figured out, okay, let me just break it down for you a little bit and show you just how much you could potentially earn. Let's say the Jane in your area that you know, Jane has 1,000 dresses in her shop and she only managed to sell about 100 of those. If you go today and partner with Jane and agree on a commission of 5% per dress, you will be getting 5% from each of the 900 dresses that Jane has remained with. And that's some good passive income that will move you a milestone. Now, don't forget that there are always pros and cons. Let's not run away from there. There are always pros and cons in business, so look out for the good and bad side. And I can assure you that the good side always wins. So I'll go ahead and share with you a few affiliate programs that you can take a look and research in your free time and know which ones will best suit you, okay? So that in the next video, when we start talking about affiliate programs and how you can create gigs and the like, you will already have an idea of what we are talking about. So the top on my list is Amazon Associates. So Amazon Associates, I like it because it is beginner friendly. They don't want you to reach a certain number for you to get a bigger commission or something. They take up beginners, so it's beginner friendly. Okay, you can go ahead and research about Amazon Associates. If it works for you, well and good. The second one is Awin Affiliates. You can also go ahead and Google and research about it. The third one is Big Rock Affiliates. You can go ahead and take a look and just find out more about it. The fourth one is Optimize. You can also take a look and research about Optimize Affiliates. My fifth on the list is Fiverr. You can go ahead and also research about it. Okay, get a chance to find out what you want to find out about it. You can also try and Google ClickBank. Okay, take a look at ClickBank and see if it's something that you can work with. And my last one is QLinks. So you can also research about QLinks affiliates. Okay, once you go through all this, there should be something that will work for you or something that will inspire you to start your affiliate journey. But for more details and a detailed video, I'll make sure I make one in the next video where I'll be explaining strictly online affiliate marketing, digital affiliate marketing. So just make sure to subscribe to my channel, you share, and also hit on the notification bell so that the next time I upload this particular or similar content, you will be the one and the first one to know. Thank you very much for joining me on today's video, and hope to see you in my next video. And I hope you have learned a lot. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will try my best to respond to you in the best way that I can. about affiliate marketings and affiliate programs. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Bye.